Informal vocabulary unlocked. Making English fun and friendly. Hello language enthusiasts. Welcome to a new episode in our English language learning series. Today, we're going to focus on an exciting aspect of the English language, informal vocabulary and word choice. This is an important component of informal writing, and understanding it will make your written communication more natural, lively, and authentic. Let's dive in. Informal vocabulary, unlike its formal counterpart, is full of slang, idioms, colloquialisms, and contractions. It's the type of language you would use when writing to a friend or posting on social media. For example, instead of saying, "I am going to," you might say, "I'm gonna," in informal speech. You may also use slang words like cool or awesome to express admiration or approval. Remember, the use of informal vocabulary is context-dependent. You wouldn't use it in a formal letter or an academic essay. A common feature of informal writing is the use of contractions. Contractions are shortened versions of words or phrases. For instance, can't is a contraction for cannot, and it's is a contraction for it is. In informal writing, contractions give a casual, friendly tone. They make the text feel more like a conversation than a formal discourse. Idioms and slang are prominent in informal English. An idiom is a phrase whose meaning is not deducible from the literal definitions of its words. For example, when we say, "It's raining cats and dogs," we don't mean that pets are falling from the sky. We're saying that it's raining heavily. Slang, on the other hand, is a type of language consisting of words and phrases that are informal. They are often used in specific contexts or among certain groups of people. For instance, if someone says they're feeling blue, they mean they're feeling sad or depressed. Let's do some exercises to practice identifying informal vocabulary. Rewrite the following sentence in a more informal way. I cannot attend the party this evening. Is "it's raining cats and dogs" formal or informal? What does the slang "feeling blue" mean? Take your time with these exercises and remember, practice makes perfect. Well, that wraps up our session on informal vocabulary and word choice. We hope this has shed some light on the exciting world of informal English, and remember, knowing when to use formal and informal language is key to mastering English. Stay curious, keep learning, and we'll see you in our next video. Happy learning, everyone!